Drivers behind the line, starting in 3, 2, 1, dive!
Coral moves up autonomously at the beginning of match at number 69. We do see one member of the Red Alliance. That was Prepatech Bot Busters. They slam against the side of the wall. 2 out of 3 Red Alliance robots now A-stopped. That's giving some chance for Blue to establish an early lead. They managed to score 6 Coral up on level 4 of the Blue Alliance Reef. Patriots in blue, they try to process the first algae of the match, but it does roll right off the lip of the entrance of the processor. Prepatech Millennial Pinkhawks, they instead grab algae off the reef and get that processed toward the human player for the Red Alliance. It's tossed up into the red barge. All 3 red robots in their reef zone, but Copperbots is the one working on algae. Copperbots align themselves right in front of the red barge while a human player tosses algae up. Copperbots give them a moment for their algae to make sure it is securely scored before they attempt to score their own. Botbusters behind them also follow up with some algae, and now the second processed algae by Blue indicated on the board, and with a score by a Red Alliance human player. Just over 1 minute of match play remaining. Red is trailing. It's 52 to 101 in favor of the Blue Alliance, but all of the algae scoring has been red so far. We've had Blue passing algae through the processor, but nothing getting tossed up into that barge, whether through the processor to blue human player or by a blue robot itself. Prepatech intakes up off the carpet. R-Factor also works on Coral scoring while getting defended by Prepatech Millennial Pinkhawks. Pinkhawks shutting down access to one of the Coral stations for the Red Alliance, but 2 robots on offense is still enough for Red to try to cover the gap here in our scores as we approach the final 30 seconds of the match. Team Taters, they've got algae between them and their reef zone. They pick up that algae, pass it on through. The Blue Alliance is very close to getting 3 of the reef with 7 or more coral, but they would need to get 1 more algae processed in order to score the ranking point. Patriots, they have now scored 6 coral on that level 2, but they're going to run out of time to get all 3 that they're going to need. First bot off the ground is Team Taters for the Blue Alliance. It looks like everybody else still on carpet at the conclusion of the match. Blue Alliance. 161 to 137. Blue Alliance victorious in match number 69. 5 ranking points for the Blue Alliance teams.